So hi everyone, in this video we are going to see the flowchart for largest of three numbers. So we are going to see largest of three numbers. Suppose I am having three numbers A, B and C. Okay. So I have to figure out which one of these is the largest. So if A is largest, then I have to first compare A with B, if A is greater than B or not, and I have to also compare A with C and have to see if A is greater than C or not, right? And if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then I can say A is greater or greatest. A is greatest. Similarly, if B is greater than A and B is greater than C, then I can say B is greater. Else, if C is greater than A and C is greater than B, then I can say C is greatest among these three. Okay. So in this way we are going to draw this flowchart. So let's draw the flowchart. So first of all, I'm going to start the program, like start, and I'll be taking input three numbers from the user. Let's say those numbers are A, B and C. So I'm going to read A, B and C from the user. Okay. Then what we have done, we will be checking if A is greater than B and A is greater than C. If A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then A is greatest amongst three. So I have read A, B, C, those three numbers from the user. Now I will be checking if, so there will be a condition box, a rhombus. So I have to check if A is greater than B, and I also have to check A is greater than C or not. If A is greater than B and greater than C, what I have seen, then A is the greatest. So if it is yes, then I have to print A, like A is the greatest, and this will end the program here. If A is not greater than B or not greater than C, then it is no. Then I will check if B is greater than A and B is greater than C or not. Okay. If it is also yes, if B is greater than A and B is greater than C, then what we can see, we can see that B is the greatest. Okay. If it is yes, so I will be printing B because it is the greatest. Okay. And this will end my program here. And if A is not greater than B or B is not greater than A and C, then we can easily say that if it is no, then we can easily say that C is the greatest, and we can print C, and this will also end the program. Okay. So if A is greater than B is and A greater than C is not true, and also B is greater than A and B is greater than C is not true, then it is obvious that C is the greatest. Okay. So let's dry run an example. Suppose here are three numbers A, B and C. Okay. Let's take another color. Suppose A is 2, B is 5 and C is 10. Okay. Now here I have read three numbers A, B, C 2, 5, 7. If A is greater than B, here A is not greater than B, so this condition will fail, and so we'll be going to no part. Now you have to check if B is greater than A and B is greater than C or not. Here B is greater than A, yes, this is true, but B is not greater than C, so this condition false. This condition doesn't hold, so I'll be coming to this no, and I have to print C, and here it is clearly shown that 10 is greater than 5 and 2. So print C. So I have to print C, and 10 is the largest number among these three. Okay. Now coming to an edge cases. Okay. Suppose my A is 10, B is 10, and C is 5. Okay. So let's see what happens. If A is greater than B, no, A is not greater than B. Yes, it is 10 is equals to 10, but 10 is not greater than 10. So this condition will not hold. Okay. Now coming to this no part, if B is greater than A, B is also 10, A is also 10, B is not greater than A, so this will also not hold. So we'll be getting to C, means print C. But here we can clearly see that 5 is not the biggest among these three. So what we can do is, and what we should be doing, that we will be putting A greater than equals to, okay, greater than equals to all over here. Now if I recheck if it is working or not, suppose A is greater than equals to B. Yes, A is greater than equals to B. 10 is greater than equals to 10, so it is yes. So I will be printing A, which is 10, and 10 is the greatest among these three, and it will end the program here. So I hope this is clear to you. Thank you for watching.